On the morning of October 17 in the Indian capital, hundreds of children, activists and civil society representatives came together to stand up and take action against poverty and to take a pledge towards building a free, just and a more inclusive society.
About 1/3 of the world's poorest people live in India, and South Asia and India are really the make or break for the Millennium Development Goals. If India and South Asia don't achieve the goals, the world is not going to achieve the goals. And I think that it's very appropriate that today's discussion here is focused on the poorest people in India, the Muslim minorities, the Dalits, the untouchables, the tribal people of India, the backward caste, the lowest socio-economic groups in India, and of course the women who are at the bottom. Even within these communities, it's the women who are at the bottom. We believe that unless people stand up and take action, nothing is going to change. We have the best laws in this country, we have the best brains, we have the best ideas, but the reality is very different. So the purpose of this campaign really is to move things down to the ground level and take action there. And with your help, with your voices, I think that things can change.
The Millennium Campaign, in partnership with a range of non-state actors, has worked to increase the awareness on the MDGs so that the governments can be held accountable for more and better aid, education for all boys and girls, healthcare, gender equality and public accountability.
युवाओं को पहली जब बात है जानकारी सारी होनी चाहिए, उसको खुद की भी जानकारी रखनी चाहिए MDG गोल्स के जो हमारे 8 गोल्स हैं उनको लेकर, और लोगों की क्या परेशानी है वो उनका पूरा सहयोग करें, जैसे हॉस्पिटल वगैरह में क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं, शिक्षा को लेकर, हेल्थ को लेकर, जच्चा मृत्यु दर वगैरह को लेकर.
We are witnessing that the governments are spending trillions of dollars to save the runaway bankers. But unfortunately, they don't have resources to eradicate the poverty.
80% of the children below 3 years of age, they are anemic. So where does it reflect? This 8% GDP growth is at the cost of 80% anemic children. So government will have to act now.
It's to commemorate the day and also to highlight how certain millennium development goals which are in place, and certain issues, like of poverty, hunger, women's rights and various other issues of right to housing, various other economic, social, cultural rights are being violated.
कि इस दिन पे हम कहते हैं कि जो गरीबी हटाने का जो एक स्लोगन था, जो एक पॉलिटिकल स्लोगन बन के रह गया था 1980s में, वो आज हम हकीकत में बदल सकते हैं. और इसके लिए न सिर्फ सरकार लेकिन जो भी आम जनता है और अलग अलग समुदाय के लोग, अलग महिलाएं, बच्चे, युवक, इन सभी को साथ में आगे एक ज्ञापन लेना है कि हम सभी स्तर पे, स्थानिक स्तर से लेकर राष्ट्रीय स्तर तक जो सरकारी हमारे प्रतिनिधि हैं उनको हम याद दिलाएं कि अब भारत में वो संसाधन भी है और वो तकनीकें भी हैं जिससे हम गरीबी हटाया जा सकता है. बस एक जो पॉलिटिकल विल है उसकी ज़रूरत है.
हम प्रण लेते हैं कि गरीबी, भुखमरी तथा भेदभाव के खात्मे के लिए एक न्यायपूर्ण, समानता पर आधारित, सबों को सम्मान देने वाले समाज के निर्माण के लिए संघर्ष करेंगे.
As we cross the midpoint of the 2015 deadline, it's time for all of us to refuse to stay seated or silent in the face of poverty and broken promises to end it.